Rashmi Chadda is the founder of Wo Voyage, a woman-centric travel startup. Along with being an established TEDx speaker, she's also the winner of multiple accolades like Women on Mission Award, Indian Women Excellence Leadership Award, Most Influential Woman Leader 19, Digital Leader 19, etc. With multiple years of experience in the entrepreneurial world, she helps top travel, health, and fitness brands and celebrities to plan, strategize, and execute their transformational strategies. Her association includes brands like Yatra, Harvard Startup Flame Bearer, and more. Apart from her entrepreneurial success, she's also a decorated sports person and has played in 16 nationals at school and graduation level. At this time, we're honored to have Ms. Rashmi Chadda, who would be taking the next 20 minutes in giving us information or a good knowledge sharing session on how to drive right traffic towards your Instagram profile. Learners and beginners, if you have any questions, we request you to please make note of it and ask your questions when we have the Q&A section. Over to Ms. Rashmi Chadda.
Yeah, thank you so much, Violet, and I love your name. So, uh,
Thank
so
you.
guys, thank you for the wonderful introduction. So today we're gonna talk about Instagram. Tamil, can you play that presentation like I have shared with you? Just a basic point so that people can, you guys can note it down and you can work on it. So my journey from 2,700 followers to like now 100 and like 100,000 and skill working on Instagram is an amazing platform to become a brand yourself and getting your company to without spending much money and reaching to 1,000 or a million customer. I tell you, a lot of brands also start working on and spending money on influencer marketing. Earlier, they were spending crores on Bollywood stars. So there's a great opportunity, right? And so we gonna start from here because I've heard a lot of people having problems with getting followers. Even not many of you know about the tools, what to use, and all that. So let's start with the basic introduction. Uh, what is Instagram actually? Yeah, but I'll tell you. Uh, this is a visual platform. So what is it attractive gonna sell? So, like Facebook, we connect with families and friends. Right now, so Facebook have acquired Instagram, so now they both are connected to it. So that you have seen that short videos, right, which is doing wonders, and YouTube also copied it. So, like a TikTok. After TikTok, Reels are there. Reels are really helping. Even people who have started with 2,000 followers now they are crossing 100,000. Even Instagram main accounts like Instagram business and creators, they have shared their post, which is quite an impact, right? In like 3 months, you are from 5,000 followers, you are crossing 100,000, and you are getting big deals. So of course, so can we have a next slide? And wide reach, I've already mentioned, and there are a lot of opportunities coming here on Instagram. Uh, like I mentioned, with brands setting up a brand. So I have an example like for Woo Voyage. My company, I was in 2016. I've opened up a small office in Paharganj, spending every month like on rent and people. I was spending almost 70 to 80,000 rupees on one office. But when I realized technology is taking up, social media is the thing, right? Sitting there just spending like 15,000 rupees, I've reached out to customers around the world, which now of course Voyage is verified with a blue tick. I'll tell you in the end also what is blue tick and why it is important. So of course, social media is the thing. You want to do it, and Instagram is taking over, biggest brands to next number. So can we go ahead? Like, so why engagement is important? To build from smaller numbers to the bigger number. Of course, one thing is very, very important. What I heard from a lot of people, you need to find out your niche, so that you know that who is your ideal follower. So one of you was mentioning that you want to reach out to like kids. So of course on Instagram, like below 13 age, they can't access, or maybe they are using it through their parents, right? So you need to understand then your ideal customer, end customer is kids, but you're targeting their parents, because they will help them to take those decisions. So of course, and the one thing I mentioned, Instagram, about visual content, valuable content. So I'll tell you that this recently the engagement have gone like that. People wants to share. If you see a lot of people, like this presentation also, you guys can also take it to bring your draft. How, if something is posted, like a travel, like for example, I love travel, so for me travel quotes, it attract me, or maybe a travel poem. So if I read on your profile interesting travel quote, maybe I'll save it on the right hand, or maybe I want to share it with my friends. So that's how the engagement goes up, and your profile is visible on explore page. So that you need to create that content which is absorbed by me, and I want to share it with other people. So that's how it will create more impact. And uh, so can we go on the next page, because there's uh, yeah. So yeah, so one more thing I want to create. So on the post, like we are getting comments, right? A lot of people don't reply to those comments. So I tell them, you can make a note like you should reply the comments, and not like, hey, amazing, so cool, or something like that. You need to engage it. Like there was one question, somebody, like they want to engage as their business knowledge. So for example, following me, and then you're coming and commenting on one of my posts which is about digital marketing. Like I posted about the biz learner, and you posted there that about digital marketing, and you have a query, like a question mark. So that when other viewers also, like my followers, are seeing that, they want to check out your profile. So that's how your engagement also goes up. So of course, I'm just giving you an introduction about everything, like small. Okay, we gonna go ahead, and I'll tell you how to build your profile in next slide. Can we do the next slide, please? Yeah. So of course, the next one, the uh, yeah. So so this is the thing. First I mentioned, like you want to create content. So let's do, how do you want to create a content? So first, you were asking about the tools, right? So there are very much free tools are available, like Canva is there. Somebody was asking about the posting scheduling stories. So there is Sprout Social, Hootsuite is there. So you can align. If you have your own website, even Wix is aligned to it. You can design your post and put it there, and you can schedule it. So there are a lot of tools are there, like for photo editing you can use Lightroom, which is very, very good. It's little paid. Of course, you wanted to do editing, you need to pay little amount to it, but Lightroom is amazing. But you want to play around with other tools, so you can do PixArt is also quite good, using different filters. Because again, I mentioned Instagram about visual and quality. So for example, now you have posted one picture which are good quality. I'll give you an example why I don't do cinema photography like that, like from DSLR and all that. Because people like my positive energy in a real me. Okay, I can also dress up, and and get a picture at Taj Mahal. But no, people like me like that. That's my niche. So I figured out my niche, that people like me being very normal, so they can relate to me, and from my journey they're gonna learn about it. And especially those pictures get very attractive. Then after posting a picture, what makes more interesting? My captions. Because i'm I'm sharing my experience in that. Like for example, I visited one of the island in Goa, which is like a offbeat thing. Not many people know. But then I'm asking them also in the caption that, do you want to visit the same place? So that what happened, then somebody is reading it, they want to answer that, or do you want to go with your family? Or I do a lot of posts like mothers and daughter. How you can travel with your mother, or is it safe? So people answer it. Then of course, I'll tell you how to gain more engagement. So you have created your post using those different tools. Then you are posting it with a good caption. Then share it on a story. Okay, and on story, when you're sharing it, there are a lot of options. So there's a like a smiley mark. You go in that. If anyone doesn't know, we can show it in the last. Okay, so do a story polling, which is very, very important. I'm telling you that engagement goes really up. When you're asking questions from your follower, you're engaging them. If I'm just posting something and I'm not asking what do you want, uh, then they'll go off. Let make them engage. And in this, you can ask a question, or you can do polling into that. So that works very well. Then specific hashtags. So I'll tell you about the hashtags. What is a hashtag? So for example, so there are king hashtag. King hashtag means love, motivation, travel, which has like 43 million post or more than that. Then there come a smaller hashtag. uh 1 second, sorry, I'm having a water. So there come a smaller hashtag. So I'll tell you that if you don't have more than 100,000 followers, so use a smaller hashtags, which really mean, like for example, digital marketing strategy. Okay, for example, or you are targeting kids, so you are using uh, uh, kids in India or something like that. There are a lot of hashtags, and there is a app also, hashtag expert. You can look on that and you'll get to know that how many posts are there. Because if you're post using a hashtag like love or motivation or travel, and it has a 42 or 3 or 120 million, then maybe my post will reach out in an explore section, but not a 5,000 follower thing. So don't use king hashtags, use smaller hashtags, and like go ahead with that. So again, let's do creative with stories. Hashtags is very important, but then stories will take you around. uh, I can show maybe on after this thing, like you guys can follow me, and I can make stories specially for you guys, and how to make it interesting. Putting using music. There are a lot of ways. You can put like a up, like two pictures, like one like a facing up and one facing down. In the middle, you put a cushion. So a lot of ways. It depends on what do you want to do, right? Your page looks like. For me, it's like more of a travel thing, or entrepreneurship. I talk about startups, helping women entrepreneurs. So I do that. So make your stories amazing. You can use a lot of gifs also, that helps to reach out. And music is doing wonder. Don't put, I'll just tell you, don't use your own music. If you're somewhere and then music in behind, that works well, but use your own music. uh that's do wonders. So these are some points. You can go ahead, you can take a screenshot also, or they can share a presentation, because you have to draft it out, like how to do it. So I'll tell you uh now. So so now there is a your profile. Okay, you see there is a picture. Okay, make it so interesting, like okay, my face is visible like this. Okay, maybe color behind. You can make your face visible so people will understand this is a true profile. Second thing is when you see your name, like for example, one is a username, like my username is Travel Girl India, but my name is Rashmi Chadda. Okay. So when you do Travel Girl India, why I have used it Travel Girl India? Okay, I love travel and I'm a girl from India. But there's another thing. It's a SEO. Okay. It's a like when you search travel, okay, my profile is verified blue tick. That helps me more come on a top on a search with travel. So you can use something like that. You can create username with SEO. Otherwise, I'll tell you there's a point on. So your profile leads to a lot of one second. I'm gonna show you also how it works. So yeah, so this one second. Okay, no, it's visible. Yeah, so you can see Rashmi Chadda, and then I put TEDx speaker and traveler like this, like a first line. Yeah, you can go and see yours also. Why this is important? Okay, username is important. Then second thing is because somebody coming on your profile, they're gonna check it out what you have done best. Like for me, TEDx was one of the best thing. Okay, I got amazing awards around the world, but TEDx was the best experience, and most of the people know about it. Okay, and when somebody is searching about TEDx, I'll come on top. So that's a SEO. That's a core thing I've told you. So write it down. You have to create your profile, your introduction like that, and create your brief, whatever you awards or whatever you do. So make it very very interesting. Then we come with the next section. You see highlights. So now why I was asking you to make stories very, very interesting, because you can make them in highlights. Maybe you have won awards, you have an NGO and you are helping people. You can make that highlight, right? You covered in news media. You can cover that, and as a personal also about founders, which makes very, very interesting. Okay, for me, I'll tell you the difference. People like real me, and I have a beautiful pictures. That's why I am not covered in some text. Otherwise, you can make a highlight picture also, edit it in the colorful. You have seen that in a lot of, and in Canva, Pixar, there are a lot of templates also. You get it for story highlight. That's a specific thing. So now this is now Instagram. Okay, there is a post, there is a static post, there's a story, then comes a reel that have changed everything. I'm telling you, reel is doing wonders for everyone. If you have a concept like you want to be a digital leader and you want to talk about it, like, so do it in 15 seconds. I did uh, today I did a video in that I'm just in a boat and I did travel is travel is my therapy, and then you want to see nature, be in it. In the second video, it's like a transition. Okay, somebody wants to learn about reel also, we can do it next time, but I'm telling you, reel is doing wonders, especially for the new accounts. If you want to reach out, whatever you are doing, make it a reel. uh, Everything is there on the Instagram, recorded there, put a audio on it, uh, and then you can write a text also on that and make it selective and below, because reel is doing wonders. And don't forget to use two hashtags I'm mentioning: feel it, reel it, and feel karo, reel karo. And of course I do use travel reels, because people want to search reels and with travel. So our reels are doing wonders. It will really help you out. Anything you want to reach out, you can create it. If you are still in doubt what to do, you can point down these things and search with hashtags, how people are doing it and what like inspiration you are getting uh, from them, and you can create similar reels with your video. If you don't have like a older post somewhere and all that, you can uh, okay, so about reels, and then let's go next. I'll tell you in one or more small strategy of doing it. I think this presentation we can share it with everyone, right? Uh, okay, so there's come Instagram. So you can create your account as digital creator if you want to be yourself and doing it. You can create as an Instagram business. You can select in accounts. You can do it. If you're doing business, that is amazing. You have a website. You can connect with Facebook and you can add shop in it, like you have something to sell, right? Your maybe services or products, you can do that. Add shop. Shop is also doing wonders. uh, I think that is coming in India or maybe in some of the profiles, so you can check it out. Can we go next? I'll tell one strategy in the end. And so uh, okay, so then one more thing is insights. So do see your insights, like okay, you need to get more active on it and follow that. So insight means when to post, when is the right time to post, right? Maybe for me it's 9 p.m, maybe your followers are active at 7 p.m. Maybe it's not that you have 1,000 follower or 100,000 follower. It doesn't mean, but your followers should be active that time because it's come on the main page. Then there's a location, you can see the genders you want to reach out. So here how it works, insights are very important because to understand your followers. And reaching following, to increase your following, you need to follow some of the hashtags which I already mentioned, right? Now we come up with one of the strategy. Okay, this is there because you're new. I'm telling you, let's follow one of the strategy, which is every day you need to do 90 comments. 90 comments being big one. So how do you want to do it? Like you can select 8 hashtags or 8 locations. Okay, on that, follow that hashtag. You can see your competitor or a niche which you're gonna follow, how they're, or maybe the most emerging ones who are gaining like uh, rapidly, like every day 400 followers or 500 followers. So you can follow those hashtags, go on these accounts and comment should be very big, not like a amazing and small one. Do that what you know, or maybe you can ask a question from them so that their followers will see you and come back. And I'm telling you this strategy, after a week you can see that you're getting approx like 200 followers a day. And if you don't want to do it from your mobile, there's a Chrome extension from $80. So if like you have a problem, you can come Travel Girl India, you can ping me and then maybe I can share that. So that works really well. You need to engage in that way. So yeah, that's how and now I wanted to interact with you so that I can answer your questions. In the last also, this actually I think many of them are new to it, and they wanted to create a uh, perfect Instagram profile. So the next slide also, but then we can share with them, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. So can I stop sharing the screen so that you will be able to take the Q&A?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Violet, please take over the Q&A. So, guys, if you have any questions, please type in your name in the chat box so that our moderators will take the questions.
Anyone has any questions, now is the time. So we have Kanishka. She says, how many stories, posts, and reels should be done per day?
Amazing. So uh, so there is not exact numbers, but then you can define yourself. For example, uh, I suggest every day put one reel, and then you can do at least like you have to select a topic or you want to interact yourself with the audience. Okay, you are coming in on camera, like a series. Like for example, I do it like I was in Goa and I was doing good morning and today I'm going here, do you have a question? So I did like a 4 or 5 stories, or maybe I liked some places, so 7 stories. So I think I recommend you at least post 5 stories a day to interact with your audience or whatever, like it, share. One reel is very important and one post is very important. And then one other thing, if you are a like you wanted to do a live interview, like for example you and me are doing live chat, then we can share it on IGTV. IGTV is also amazing, right? You can leverage that. That is more than for 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So you can leverage that also. You can post IGTV, but then IGTV you can post like 2 times in a week, because it's difficult to make it right. It takes little time. And don't forget to use cover photos. Even if you're making a reel, design your cover photo interesting. Like when you design your reel, in the end add camera roll, and that comes a cover photo. So that cover photo, there's something like live, like I did a like a 360 camera. I did 360 live, so that maybe people will get what is it, what is 360 live, and they want to check out that reel. So make a cover. Yeah.
Okay. Next question is, can you please suggest, sorry, so many questions coming in. So can you please suggest a good tools to auto post on Insta?
Yeah. So that is auto post. Of course, a lot of them are paid. So, but some are unpaid also. You can try that. Sprout Social, Hootsuite. I like them. So for me, that is interesting. But then I'm telling you, if you're not posting too many posts, go on that and you can, post it yourself. If you're operating for a company, then that's the one. So.
Okay.
Violet,
Any tips? Yes.
please allow them to speak in the mic so that they will get more engaged. So instead of taking the
Okay.
questions, they
So
will have
maybe
a
those
live
who have
interaction.
questions. The next one is Travelholics community. Maybe you can ask your question.
Sorry.
Hi, Rashmi. This is Shweta this side from Travelholics community.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask that how one should collaborate with big influencers and brands. Any tips on that?
Yeah. Uh, Again, it depends on your content and what you are doing. So you can write to them over an email, giving your introduction and why do you want to collaborate with them. And of course, everyone looks for their benefit also. Maybe they want to leverage your followers, or maybe you're doing something amazing, right? They want to understand. I think if, but then depends. Like for example, you have 5,000 or 10,000 followers, so reach out to influencer who are 25 or 30. So because then they'll come in, and they want to leverage both ways. Otherwise, it gets difficult. Like somebody crossing 100K or except me, I do a lot of lives with the young, companies, because I want to push them up and make more visibility if they go with my vision. So you have to write a vision, write them a mail, and go ahead. Even in your circle, also you can reach out to people. Uh, Create good content. I'm telling you, it's if meaningful. A lot of people will connect with you. So yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks.
Denise, we have the next question.
Hi, sorry, my
Sorry.
connection is really bad here. So I think the main question that I had was, I see lots of people commenting on their own posts with the list of their hashtags rather than putting it into the post itself. Is there any evidence to suggest that it's better to do it as a comment rather than part of the post?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you repeat it? Like, can you reframe it, please?
Sorry,
Denise, it's okay.
If you want, I can do that.
my connection is really bad.
Denise, you can reframe it. It's okay.
When you share a post. Oh
Yeah.
no, am I back?
Violet, you can reframe.
Maybe I'll rephrase it, Rashmi. So what she's trying to say is, we've seen a lot of people when they post on their profile, maybe a post, instead of putting hashtags in the post, they comment and add hashtags on their own post.
Yeah,
So does that make a difference?
Yeah.
Because
So, yeah. So Instagram. So what happened that So there's a limit of 30 hashtags on your post. So it's a good question. Now so you can't use more than 30 hashtags, but I've already mentioned don't use king or queen, like use smaller hashtags. But then what happened when you like your caption and then you're putting 30 hashtags would look good, right? So people do it in the below, and that helps in explore section. But then now Instagram have come up with the new algorithm, which is using that how people are sharing and saving your post. That helps more than just hashtags. So it works both ways. So I'm telling you that in the main post, use like 5 to 10 hashtags. That is fine. But then if you think you have more hashtags to reach out, you can use it in comment. But not like this, like you're doing first comment, second comment, it's like more hashtag. Then people won't engage in your post. They think that look like it's real from your heart. Authentic is what works well. So I'm telling you, it's not about the likes, it's about the engagement you are getting on your post. If you want to work as a brand or you want to become a brand is also very, very important. They see your engagement. Now brands also know how it works. And normally on the, that normal engagement is 1 to 2%. But if you're having, for example, 2000 likes and you have 70 comments, which is very good, like good people are engaging with your captions, that is amazing. So yeah.
Mubin has another question.
Okay, so we have I want to take this question, blue tick. So I'll tell you, blue tick is not about social media marketing. It's about being famous in your industry. So for now is Instagram have like become very, very strict also on these things. So what happened that you have a media coverages more in a bigger newspapers or channels or whatever. So like for example in Hindustan Times, CNN, NDTV, and a lot of stuff like that, Vogue, Femina. And then you have maybe you have a Wikipedia page about you, or somebody searching you on Google or Yahoo, you are coming on top. So that's how they'll get to know that yes, this person is famous. And you are they'll gonna give you a blue tick. But I am telling you how to get a blue tick also. It's a strategy. You should have your story, and your story will covered by these media houses. So create your story. It doesn't mean that you have to build up your story. Maybe you can do it from Instagram page, and that these news channels will get to know about you. So that's how normally blue tick uh, works.
There's a question. Actually, I also had the same question. It's by, sorry, Subhash Ghosh. Says that where do you place the 90 comments every day? You had mentioned about 90 comments. Is it on on accounts,
Yeah.
or is it like on particular hashtags, niche?
Yes. So I've already mentioned, maybe because we are speeding up. So 8 hashtags and 90 comments. Or you can, yeah. So on that on those hashtags, you can find out people. Like I search like stories of India, like Travelholics were there. So I'm telling you, like stories of India, like because I wanted to come on like India pages and people who are following that hashtag. So I go and comment on those profiles who have posted maybe recently or later. So you can figure it out on the explore page and go and comment on that. Comment should be bigger one. Even I'll tell you another thing. You can create like 15 comments. Sit down, create 15 comments, and you can copy paste also on different, and then you can a little bit edit, because it will take a lot of time, 90 comments, and you are writing it. And so create 15 comments and go ahead and copy paste, and you can do little editing. So yeah.
Violet, please unmute Violet. Yeah, I think she's facing some network issue. Guys, if you have any questions, we have WhatsApp group. Please ask your questions. So I will get in touch with Rashmi ma'am. So we will get clarified We will, if you have any questions, please do share in the WhatsApp group by today night. So I'll get your answer from her, then we will share you by tomorrow or within 1 or 2 days. So, okay. So now it's time to thank Rashmi ma'am. So Rashmi ma'am, thank you so much and joining with us and adding a lot of values to us. So really, thanks for us. So we will discuss in the later. So thanks for joining us, ma'am. We will continue the next.
Thank you so much. And guys, you can follow me if you have any questions. Yeah, ping me or then they'll
Thank
get
you.
back. I want to have a picture with you guys. Can
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am.
that's how influencers work.
Yes, I'll just
I
remove.
think I can see everyone right now. Actually, not everyone coming on this window. 1 second.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Guys, please switch on your video so that she will promote you in her profile so that you will get more reach. If you want to do that, let's switch on your video. Guys, come on, it's the right time.
Yeah.